Alright, today we're going to do the 22 long rifle hostage challenge. Day at the Range YouTube channel, dayattherange.com, I believe there's a website. Anyway, it's a 10 shot, 90 seconds to hit all these targets, and we'll check out the scoring afterwards. Okay, today we're going to try the 22 hostage target challenge. 50 yards. Got the Ruger American Rimfire, some CCI standard ammo, and basically there's 10 targets, and you've got 90 seconds. So it's a timed course of fire. And we've got a timer here. This mag only holds 10. But anyway. I think I hit the hostage. Oh, no, it's off paper. Okay, 86 seconds. We'll get the target and look at it. We'll tally it up later. Okay, so we're going to look at this target. Day at the Range YouTube video. Been doing this hostage challenge target, 90 seconds, 10 shots, and I don't know, I'm an idiot. I didn't count this as a 10th shot. I thought there was 11, including this. So I didn't need to reload, but I did anyway. Anyway, here we've got a 9. This is a 0. This is a 7. This is a 5. This is a 9. This is a 9. This is a 10, a 5, sorry. That's a 10. And this is a 9. So I'm not too accurate. The time was 86 seconds. So what that adds up to, I've got 63. So, unless I didn't count something right here, I don't understand the rules maybe. Hey, there it is. Thank you. Thanks for watching.